I'm going to start this video out by saying this product really sucks. Luckily, it's what it was designed to do, especially when no one's watching. Any ideas on what we've got here? Keep watching and we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary. And this is my buddy Matt. We're just a bunch of gadget nerds who are lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Vine Voices program. So while getting 8 packages a day delivered from Amazon sounds like a lot of fun, things started to get a little crowded here in Matt's garage. All we ask is for you to get involved. Like the video, comment on the products you'd like to win, subscribe to Review to You with notifications enabled so that we can let you know each week when the winners are announced. Okay, back to today's Mystery Vine Voices product. It's the Shark IQ Robot Vacuum. For most of us, picking up the vacuum cleaner and giving the house a once-over cuts into our precious and valuable free time. Traditional vacuum cleaners are so noisy that you can't even hear yourself think. We actually had the first robotic vacuum cleaner from Electrolux back in the early 2000s. And while it promised to be time-saving and cool, in reality it was totally trash. The ridiculously tiny 20-ounce dirt receptacle would fill up in a matter of minutes, especially when you have kids and fur babies leaving a mess everywhere. Then we got the Shark IQ Robot Vacuum, and things changed forever. It's often described as the poor man's Roomba, but honestly, it does just as good a job at less than half the price. The unit itself is what you'd call a medium-sized RoboVac, standing just 3.5 inches tall and being about a foot in diameter. It navigates its way around your crib by using a combination of 4 cliff sensors so that it doesn't take a tumble down your stairs, 4 bump sensors to prevent it from getting stuck in a loop headbutting your wall or your couch, and an optical sensor that uses light to make its way around your house, just like we do. Cleaning comes by way of a pair of rotating side brushes extending out in front that sweep up errant crumbs and stray hairs into its huge gaping mouth, as well as a carpet brush to flick dirt up and out of any floor coverings. On the external cover are dock and clean buttons that are pretty self-explanatory. There are 3 settings: Eco, Normal, and Max. You can set up a cleaning schedule and assign individual rooms different cleaning maps based on how dirty you think they get. So what do we like about the Shark IQ? For starters, the self-emptying base. It's a game changer. The 60-ounce receptacle takes a fair amount of time to fill up. And so as we said, having to constantly empty out our old dinosaur unit was a pain in the When the sensor says it's full, the Shark IQ will trudge its way back to its docking station before letting out a little whoosh as it dumps its cargo and gets back to the job at hand. The cliff sensors work quite well, and it detected the edge stare and chose not to do its best lemming impression and tumble down to its doom. The bump sensors are fine for the daylight hours, and for the most part, you won't even hear it going about its business. The battery life is quite good. We clocked it needing 6 hours to fully charge from empty, and it was able to clean 500-odd square feet of real estate in 40 minutes, using roughly 50% of its battery. Shark IQ has both Google and Alexa assistant support, as well as a phone app. Control in the palm of your hand while out and about, or by a simple voice command at home. You can even name it. We named ours Brian. So what didn't we like? For nocturnal cleaners, you may run into an issue. The optical sensor needs light to operate. You may just have to leave your nighttime vacuuming until the morning. Also, if an error has occurred and you get a notification on the app, it does take pushing the physical button on the unit a few times to clear it and resume operation. And finally, while other RoboVacs take 5 runs or so to develop a map of your place, the Shark IQ can take anywhere from 10 to 20 runs to get a complete picture of the floor space. So what's the verdict? So is the Shark IQ the best robotic vacuum money can buy? No. But then again, it doesn't claim to be. It does the job almost as good as units that will cost you 4 figures, at more than half the price. It's the uncrowned king of value amongst its peers, and it gets a big, fat double thumbs up from us. We've given the Shark IQ a 4 out of 5 stars. And guys, also worth mentioning, Matt and I never looked at the instructions while setting this thing up. Should have, but we didn't. And we still got it done. And it's definitely something we would have bought if it wasn't free. And guys, here's the best part of this video. The Shark IQ RoboVac could be yours. It's the first Amazon Vine Voices product we'll be giving away to one lucky subscriber. To win this amazing product, the rules are very simple. Just subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment on the video below with the hashtag Shark. That's it. We'll then select someone at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.